Hey guys, I just wanted to show you really quickly how to put a link up on Google so we can keep those calendars updated because I know you guys are adding some assignments. So I'm going to start by going over to this one. Okay, so I realized that I had screwed up on one of my assignments for pre-AP. So, and actually it's also an issue on the notes or regular as well. But so I fixed it for the pre-AP, and I know you guys are changing up the notes and stuff. So um, I'll send the updated pre-AP one to you guys so that you have it. Anyway, I am going to drag these files from my flash drive over to the Google Drive, and I'm going to just drop that in. So I just did that. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the assignment. I want to make sure I do the PDF. And then I'm going to and we do that because sometimes when we upload the Word document, it gets a little janky. Okay, so then I'm going to right click the assignment and I'm going to get shareable link. And then it comes up with link sharing off. Always click that on because if you're trying to put it on your Canvas or if you're trying to put it on your Google Classroom or whatever, if that link's not on there, then the kids can't access it. So I just by default always click that to go, unless it's like a test or a quiz that we don't want them seeing. But you wouldn't be sharing that link with them anyway. So anyway, I click on that. Okay, so now I've got like 10,000 windows open. But this is the Word, this is the Google Doc that we're using for pre-AP. And I need to remove that link to start with. So I'm going to highlight this. Okay, so first I highlight, and then you can right click and go to it. I think this link actually does it too. But I just always right click and go to link. And then I've already copied the link. So I just have to hit Control V to paste it in there and then hit apply. So that's how I do that. So I'll do one more because I've got a key for the notes. They're handwritten, but I'm going to go find my key for notes 1B-5. I'm going to go by last modified. And of course I can't seem to find it, so maybe I didn't bring it. Maybe I didn't upload it. Anyway, so I don't seem to see it. Well, then I guess that's going to be the end of this recording because I don't have anything else to add to the calendar. So that's it. I hope that makes sense. Thanks.